Welcome to my channel. How to set up Singtel Wi-Fi Mesh Extender AC2600. 1. Unbox the extender. Remove the Singtel Wi-Fi Mesh Extender AC2600 and its accessories, including the power adapter and Ethernet cable. 2. Place the extender. Position the extender in a central location near your primary Singtel router for initial setup. After setup, it can be moved to an area with weak Wi-Fi. 3. Power on the extender. Plug the extender into a power outlet and turn it on. Wait for the power LED to light up, indicating it is ready. 4. Connect to the extender's Wi-Fi on your device, e.g., smartphone, tablet, or computer. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, in the Wi-Fi settings. 5. Access the setup page. Open a web browser and type the extender's default IP address, usually 192.168.0.1, or setup URL provided in the manual. Six. Launch the Setup Wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Setup Wizard. It will search for your primary Singtel router and prompt you to connect the extender to it. 7. Connect to your router. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password to pair the extender with your existing network. 8. Save and restart. Save the settings. The extender will restart to apply the changes. 9. Relocate the extender. Move the extender to the desired location, ideally halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. 10. Test the connection. Connect your devices to the extender's Wi-Fi network and test the internet speed to ensure proper setup. Thank you for watching.